Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn leads spreadsheet using Airtable. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Airtable account in your web browser. Create a new base by clicking on the Add a Base button. Name your new base something relevant, like LinkedIn leads backup. Once inside the base, create a new table. Label the first column as name. Set the field type to single line text. Add a second column labeled title with the create a third column titled company, also using single line text. Next, add a fourth column named email with the email field type. If you want to track more details, add additional columns as needed. Now, open your LinkedIn leads spreadsheet. Select the rows that contain your leads data. Copy the selected data using right-click and choose Copy or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Return to your Airtable base. Click on the first cell in the name column of your new table. Paste the copied data using right-click and choose Paste or press Ctrl+V. Airtable will automatically fill in the rows based on the information you've provided. Double-check that all entries appear correctly in the corresponding fields. If any adjustments are needed, make them directly in the Airtable cells. You can also add any extra leads or notes by filling in the additional columns. To ensure your data is safe, click on Share in the top right corner. Select Create a Share link and adjust the permissions as desired. This will create a link you can send to collaborators or use for yourself. Periodically, revisit your LinkedIn accounts and repeat the process to keep your leads updated. Explore Airtable's features, like view filters and sorting options, to manage your leads effectively. Now you've successfully backed up your LinkedIn leads spreadsheet using Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.